Now in this video of C#.NET, we are going to cover anonymous method. As the name says, anonymous method means a method without a name. So the question arises, when a method doesn't have a name, how can we call it? Because name is the only thing which we use while calling a method along with the arguments. So here, basically we will directly associate the method definition, the anonymous method definition rather I should say, to a delegate. So that whenever you will bind this delegate later with a particular event or callback thing, this anonymous function will be called. This anonymous function actually ensures like a particular method must be invoked at a particular event rather than you cannot call it manually. So let's see how can we define an anonymous method right here. So in this example you can see like earlier I have defined a delegate, and by the time I was used to assign the reference of any method, I am defining a method right here using the delegate keyword. So whenever I will invoke this anonymous function will be called and all the definition will get executed. In case you want to pass any parameter for this, you can definitely pass it in the delegate, and by the time you want to pass it in anonymous function, you can define it right here like this. Suppose you want to return some value in your anonymous function to any caller. So like for example, I have an integer right here and you see there is no return type right here. So simply you can just return the value of the particular type which you want. So very similarly, you can also use these anonymous methods with the generic delegates like func, action and predicate.